enter Bollywood. Want to catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
आज की हमारी हॉटी ऑफ द डे है बेहद स्पेशल। इससे पहले आपने उनको मॉडर्न गर्ल, रेट्रो लुक और एक्शन वुमन के अवतार में देखा होगा, बट व्हाट यू आर अबाउट टू सी राइट नाउ इज श्योरली गोइंग टू चेंज योर परसेप्शन ऑफ हर। चेक आउट दीपिका's messy side.
Look who just messed in here. It's Deepika Padukone back on Vogue and how? इस बार दीपिका पादुकोण को प्रेजेंट किया गया है इन द वेरी मेस्ड अप अवतार. Hair is messed and so is the makeup. लेकिन suddenly this messed up look has become the talk of the town because the lady in here is flaunting and making a new sensational style. Yes girls, Deepika Padukone यहाँ ना सिर्फ flaunt करी है denims, but she's also giving us a new reason to spot denim. और अलग अलग अवतार में आकर दीपिका प्रेजेंट कर रही है अपने different shades as well as denim. Deepika's light blue denim avatar. For this one, she comes with denim shoes, denim bum bag and lace bra. एक rockstar की तरह दीपिका दे रही है some striking cool poses. Deepika's Burberry denim avatar. This time it's cotton bra mixed with denim shorts and sexy black sandals. With bow detail, not to miss Deepika's perfect leather brown belt. For this, she deserves 10 on 10. Deepika's cotton mixed denim avatar. This time she turns into a rock star. Cotton t-shirt, distressed denim jeans, silver pendant, silver chain and a temporary tattoos make her look very killer. Deepika's black and white avatar. For this one she chooses black and white colored hot pants mixed up with this black leather jacket and tee. Deepika's little white dress matched with denim jacket. इस बार denim shirt is mixed with lace yoke, cotton and organza fringe dress. And now for the last avatar. The dark blue denims have just got a new definition.
This is the first time that I've combined denim with denim. Normally one normally wears denim jeans with like a casual top or a t-shirt or a shirt. But in a lot of the looks I had a denim top and a denim bottom. And I think that's kind of bringing back the retro look.
आपको बता दें कि दीपिका को कैमरा लेंस पर यहाँ उतार रहे हैं the ace photographer Atul Kasbekar.
Well, I've shot with Deepika since I think pretty much the beginning of her career, so there's a high comfort zone and very familiar with each other, which is something I'm trying to break right now so that I get some shots that are different from the normal.
It's always fun working with Atul, just that today was a little rushed, but it's always fun working with him, and even under stressful conditions he always comes up with his one-liners and keeps everybody entertained.
और साथ ही हमने जाना इस शूट की स्टाइलिस्ट अनहाइता श्रॉफ से दीपिका को चूज करने की वजह.
We picked Deepika because Deepika is absolutely gorgeous. She's young. She has a natural confidence that goes really well with, like, you know, casual street style and with an overly glamorous look that we've done with her on the cover before. We just felt that right now, you know, she's living this very youthful, fresh moment, and that's the feel we wanted for the cover.
That's true. दीपिका यहाँ डेनिम्स को एक अलग लेवल पर तो लेकर ही गई है और साथ ही यहाँ उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है her never seen before avatar. So kuch यूं Deepika Padukone will be all over the newsstands on the cover page of Vogue. Rajpreet Sond, Zoom, Mumbai.